Eric DIY here with a quick instructional video for you. We're riding on the Great Cycle Challenge. I'm going really slow right now because I thought about this as I was riding, and I wanted to show you how to adjust your seat height, because when I first started out biking, there were a lot of videos about this, but they would measure your leg and do this and that, and I'm going to be honest with you, none of that worked for me. Not one of those things worked for me. So therefore, let me show you what it's supposed to look like when you have a good seat height. And this is kind of the way I do it, but let's rotate this camera. So if you see, right now I'm even going uphill, but my leg does a full extension at the bottom of my stride here on the bike. That's what you want, because what's happening is you're putting the full power of your leg into this. So get a full extension of the leg, and you should not feel any pain in the top of your kneecap, because if that is the case, then you know that your seat is too low. You're working too much of the muscle there. But full outward leg is what you want at the bottom of the pedal. And that means that your bike seat is pretty much where you want it to be. Now, just know that might mean that you're on your tiptoes when you get off the bike. So when I get on it, I gotta get on my toes to keep it steady, but you can get on it. For some people, this will not be the most steady thing for them. Now, I'm 5'4", but that doesn't really mean much, because obviously my seat height is going to be less. You can also use your hip. It should be right below your hip bone where your seat is. And when you get on the bike, you probably have to tilt it slightly to one side. And that's so that you rest on one foot on the tippy toe. And then you pedal right off. You kick right off on this one, get your foot on there. But that's going to give you maximum leg extension. And that's when you know that your seat is where it should be. Make sure you ride it. Biggest thing is you should feel no pain over here after a while. If you feel pain here, that means your seat's too low, because you're working these knee muscles too hard. That's the biggest thing. When I first started, I kept having pain right here, and I didn't know that the seat had to be that high. Again, tippy toe to one side. You could still get on the bike, but you get on here, you push down, and you take off. And that's going to be hard to do with the camera right now, but that's what you want. And that means that you have the right seat height, because your leg fully extends. So get on the bike, make sure your leg fully extends. And if you feel like that's not good for you, just a slight bend of the knee will get you there too. You just, again, do not want any pain right here on your knee after biking for a while. And that is how I adjust my seat on my bike. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.